In this video, I will show you how to add controls to your control center in iOS 18. In previous versions of iOS, you would have had to go into the Settings app and open the control center by tapping on Customize Control Center, but Apple has just given you the ability to add controls to your control center in the same way that you would edit your home screen. The first thing you'll want to do is swipe down from the upper right-hand corner of your phone. You can see that I already have some controls here, and the control center actually has multiple pages. But in this video, we are just going to look at how to add a custom control to the first page of the control center. Once you swipe down and you can see your control center, like you see mine here, you want to long press and hold until the controls go into jiggle mode. And then you'll tap on Add a Control, which you should see at the bottom of the page. Just for your information, this page has room for 5 more controls. If you tap on Add a Control, you have a bunch of controls that you can add. In this example, we're going to take a look at the controls that they have for the Apple Watch. Tap in the search field where it says Search Controls, and then begin typing either the name of the control that you want, or in some cases, the device. I'm going to type watch and see what comes up. You can see under the watch section, we have ping my watch. To add the control, just tap on it. And you can see that the control has appeared in the bottom right-hand corner. The controls will be placed from left to right as you add them. A new page will automatically be added when you reach the bottom of the current page. Once you're done, just tap the screen one more time so the controls look like this. And then to use the control button, just tap on it. It will turn yellow, and then you will hear the sound of your Apple Watch. You may not be able to hear the sound because of the environment that I'm in, but if you want to ping your watch, you just press the control one more time, and you should hear the sound once you do.